Okay, the next concept is types of algebraic expression. Here in the types of algebraic expression, then the monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Now, what is a monomial? An expression containing only one term in which powers of variables. An expression containing only one term in which the powers of the variables are non-negative integer. The powers of the variable which are non-negative integer. Here the 4xy, for example 4xy, here the 4xy is the single term. Okay, the 4 into x into y is a single term, and 2l square m square. Here in between the 4 and x, here the sign is multiplication. In between the x and y, the sign is multiplication. The multiplication and division do not separate the terms. Okay, the 4xy and 2l square m square is an example of monomial. Okay, note that every monomial is a term. Every monomial is a term, but every term may not be a monomial. Okay, every monomial, the single term is every monomial is a term. Okay, then 2x is a monomial and also a term. Okay, the 2x is the single term, then this is a monomial and also a term. The what is term? A single or the combination of constant and variable. The single constant or single variable or the combination of constant and variable is called a term. The 2x is a monomial and also the term, but 2 by x, here 2 into x, here the 2 by x is a only term. 2 by x is a only term, not a monomial, because 2 by x, the 2 by x in the form of 2 into 1 by x, 2 into 1 by x. Here the 1 by x means the 1 by x raised to n, the power is n. Okay, the power is n means here the form in the laws of exponent. In the laws of exponent, here the 1 by x raised to n, 1 by x raised to n is x raised to minus n. Here this also in the form of 1 by x raised to 1. 1 by x raised to 1, then is equal to 2 into x raised to minus. Here x raised to n is x raised to minus n, where x raised to 1 is x raised to minus 1, where the power of x is negative integer. Our condition is non-negative integer. The power of the variables, non-negative integer. Here the power of the variable is the negative of minus 1. Then this is not a monomial. Okay, here the 2 by x is only term, but it is not a monomial. Okay, the next one binomial. Binomial is then 2. The by means 2. An expression containing two monomials or two terms. An expression containing two monomials is called a binomial. Here, then the 2 is a term and x is a term. 2 plus x, 2 plus x. Here 3xy is one term, then z is another term. The combination of these two terms is a binomial. Okay, addition is then separate the terms. Okay, then ab and plus 2c, ab plus 2c. Okay, the next trinomial. Binomial is it contains only two monomials or two terms. Then trinomial, the tri is 3. An expression containing three monomials. An expression containing three monomials or three terms is called a trinomial. Here x is one term, y is another term, and z is a third term. Then these are separated by the negative and positive sign. Here ab, 3a and 3b. Three terms. Okay. Then polynomial, an expression containing one or more monomials. One or more monomials is called a polynomial. Here 2a minus 4b, 5x, y, z, or 3x minus y minus z minus 2. Okay. Then then these are the types of expressions. Monomial means it contains only one term, and binomials and non-negative integer. The power of the variable is non-negative integer. And binomial. The binomial is it contains only two terms or two monomials. Trinomial it contains three monomials or three terms, and the polynomial contains one or more monomials. One or more monomials is called a polynomial. Okay, so these are the types of algebraic expression. And the next concept is in that algebraic expression of factors. Okay, the factors in the product each of the literal or numerical value. The literal means variable value, or numerical value is called factor of the product. Here, for example, 5xy. 5xy is a monomial. Okay. Then what are the factors? What are the factors of 5xy? 5 into x into y. Okay. Then the multiplication and division, they do not separate the terms. Okay. Here the 5xy, 5 into x into y, where 5x and y are the factors of 5xy, are the factors of 5xy. Here for example, 3abc. Okay, then what are the factors of 3abc? 3abc. Okay, then these are the factors of 3abc. For example, take a 6. Then what are the factors? 1, 2, 3. So these are the factors. Okay, the factors of 6. The next one is coefficient. In a product containing two or more factors. Here two or more factors. Here the factors of 5xy. Here the factors are 5xy. Okay, two or more factors. Each factor is called the coefficient of the product. Each factor is called the coefficient of the product of the other factor. Here, for example, here take 6x. 6 is a constant, x is a variable. 6 is a constant, x is a variable. Here, then the 6 is the numerical coefficient of x. 6 is the numerical coefficient of x, and x is the literal coefficient of 6. X is the literal coefficient of 6. Here, for example, 8xy. Okay. Here the coefficient of x, the numerical coefficient of xy is 8. Numerical coefficient of xy is 8. The coefficient of x, coefficient of literal coefficient, the literal coefficient of 8, the literal coefficient of here 8xy. Take an example, 8xy. Okay, here the numerical coefficient, here the literal coefficient or variable. Here the numerical coefficient of xy is 8. The numerical coefficient of xy is 8. Here the literal coefficient of xy is, there is no literal coefficient of xy. Okay. Then next, then this is 8xy. Take 8xy. Here xy. Take xy. Here 8 is the numerical coefficient of xy. There is no literal coefficient. Then take x. Then what is the numerical coefficient of x? Numerical coefficient of x is 8. Okay. Then literal coefficient of x is y. Literal coefficient of x is y. Next, take y. Then numerical coefficient of y is 8. The literal coefficient or variable, literal coefficient of y is x. Okay. Then take 8. Okay, take 8. The numerical coefficient of 8, there is no numerical coefficient. Okay. Here literal coefficient of 8 is x, y. Okay. Take another example. One more example. Here 3AB. The 3AB is a monomial and this is term. Okay, write the coefficient of 3AB. Write the coefficient of 3AB. Okay, here. Then numerical coefficient and literal coefficient of variable. Literal coefficient of variable. First take the 3. Okay, 3AB. Okay, 3AB. Then what is the numerical coefficient of 3? Here there is no numerical coefficient of 3 and literal coefficient is AB. Literal coefficient of 3. The literal coefficient or variable coefficient of 3 is AB. Then take A. Then here numerical coefficient of A. Here numerical coefficient is 3. Numerical coefficient is 3. Then the literal coefficient of A is B. Literal coefficient of A is B. Okay. The next take a B. The numerical coefficient of B is 3. Numerical. Then here 3 is a number constant. Then the literal coefficient of B is A. Literal coefficient of B is A. Next, take AB. The numerical coefficient of AB is 3. Here the literal coefficient of AB is, there is no literal coefficient of AB. Okay. Next one, here 6x. 6 is the numerical coefficient of x. X is numerical coefficient of 6. Then 6 is the numerical coefficient of x. Then x is the literal coefficient of 6. Literal coefficient of 6. The note, when the numerical coefficient of a term, plus 1 or minus 1, there is no need to mention 1. No need to mention 1. Here for example, the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square in the x square plus 3x is 1. Here when there is a no number means here 1 is there. Okay. Here the numerical coefficient of x square. Numerical coefficient of x square is 1. Numerical coefficient of x square is 1. Here the numerical coefficient of 3x is 3. Okay. The next, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. What is the degree? The degree of the monomial. The degree of a monomial is sum of the powers of the variable. Sum of powers of the variable. Here 5x x square y. 5x square y. Here there is no number. When there is no number means 1. Here 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here the degree of the monomial. Degree of the monomial is 3. Degree of the monomial is 3. 2 plus 1. X square and y raised to 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. The degree of the monomial is 3. The next one is, here note, the every non-zero number is considered a monomial with the degree 0. That every non-zero number is considered a monomial. Here the monomial, 27 is a monomial. Then which polynomial contains only one term is a monomial. 27 is the numerical constant. Okay, and this is a term. And what is the degree of that? The degree is 0. The number non-zero, here every non-zero number is considered a monomial with the degree 0. The non-zero number 27, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The degree of the polynomial, degree of the term is 0. Okay, and this is the concept of the factors, coefficient and degree of the monomial. Okay, understand? Here the degree of the polynomial, here the greatest degree of the terms in the polynomial. Greatest degree, the highest degree, the highest power. The highest power of the polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. Here, then which is the highest power? Then 3 is the highest power. Here the power of the variable is 2. Here the power of the variable is 3. And the power of the variable is 1. Then which is the highest power? Then 3 is the highest power. It means the 3 is the power of the variable or degree of the variable. Here take another example. X cube plus x4 is 4 here. It means a raised to m raised to n. Okay, the laws of exponent. This is the third law of exponent. A raised to m raised to n means m into n. A raised to m into n. A raised to m into n means 4 into 2. Here the 3. 3 into 2 is a 6. 4 into 2 is a 8. It means 8 is the degree of the polynomial. It means the highest power, the highest degree of the polynomial is a degree of the polynomial. Okay. The next concept is the like terms and unlike terms. The like terms, here the like terms. What is the like terms? What are the like terms? Here the terms having the same variable with the same exponent. The simple concept like and unlike. Here the terms having the same variable with the same exponent. Here the same variable x. Here the same variable with the same exponent. Now this is like terms. Here take an example. 2y square, 2y cube, y cube, 3y cube. Okay, here the value of the variable is the power of the variable is 3, power of the variable is 3, power of the variable is 3, and y. Okay, the same variable with the same exponent is called a like terms. Okay, the same variable and same exponent. The power also same. Okay, and these are the like terms and unlike terms. In unlike terms, then the three conditions are there in unlike terms. Then what is unlike terms? The terms having the same variable with the different exponents or different variables with the same or different exponent. Here the first one example. Take an example. Same variable, different exponent. Okay, same variable. X. Unlike terms. Okay. X. Same variable but different exponent. 3, 4, 7. Okay. Same variables, different exponent. First condition. The second one, different variables. Here the same variable. Here the different variables with the same exponents. Same variable with the same exponents. Here same variable with the different exponent. Same variable with the same exponent. Like terms. Unlike terms means same variable with the different exponent. The power of the variables are different. Then second condition, both are different variable x, y, z. Different variables with the power of the same exponent. The power of same. The power of the x is 3, power of the y is 3, power of the z is 3. Different exponent, different variables, same exponents. Next, both are different variable, different exponents. Different variable, different exponent. Here x and y. Different variables and different exponents. 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. Then these are the like terms. Okay, degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the expression. Highest power of the polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. And the like terms. The terms having what is the term? A constant or variable or combination of constant and variable is called a term. The terms having the same variable, same exponents. Unlike terms, first one is same variable, different exponents, different variables, same exponents, and third one both are different, different variable and different exponent. Then this is the concept of degree of the polynomial, like terms and unlike terms. And this is the introduction of algebraic expression. Then tomorrow we will continue this chapter. Okay.